Murang'A County has been ranked as the top devolved unit where residents are most satisfied with the work of their governor.
I take this opportunity to thank the members of the County Assembly because some of these ideas are not mine, they come from the Assembly.
Murang'A County, County 021 at the heart of central Kenya, has been ranked as the best performing county in terms of revenue collection, infrastructure development, healthcare, and good utilization of its revenue. Besides being the best in harmonious working relationship between members of the County Assembly and the governor. All this under the leadership of Governor His Excellency Irungu Kang'ata. In that context, Murang'A County is holding its first Murang'A County Investment Conference, which will be held at Thika Greens Resort starting from 13th June to 14th June 2025, dubbed Murang'A Invest 2025. In order to make this day a success story for Murang'A County, the Speaker of the County Assembly of Murang'A, Right Honorable Johnson Mokuha, is on a tour to the USA Washington State.
Hi everyone, this is Kerry Prestige, reporting from SeaTac International Airport, from Pacific Waves International TV. And I'm here waiting for Honorable Johnson Mokuha. This is the Murang'A County Speaker.
For diaspora mobilization meetups for a robust robbing with the name of bringing more diaspora members to invest in Murang'A County, where he will grace a series of conferences and meetings around Seattle, Washington. Addressed as shown, Murang'A will soon be the best industrial and economic hub in Kenya if this exercise is anything to go by. Currently, Honorable Speaker is in Seattle, Washington, and as he continues to engage members of the diaspora constituency, I, Kerry Prestige, CEO Pacific Waves Media, took him for a tour of Capitol Hill, the heart of America democracy, just to show him around together with the Capitol tour guide. Capitol Hill in Olympia isn't just a hill. It's the center of Washington governance, where policy, power, and the people converge. From the outside, the Capitol Dome rises high above the city, a visible reminder of the democratic process and work. Below, landscaped grounds and memorial honor citizens, veterans, and leaders who shaped the state's path. Step inside and air shifts. You are walking into the heart of Washington's government. The rotunda stretches upwards, crowned by a chandelier made of Zec crystal, symbolizing transparency and clarity in leadership. To the left, the Senate chamber. To the right, the House of Representatives. Elected officials gather here, not just to argue bills, but to balance voices, budgets, and visions. This is where education policy is written, transportation plans debated, and statewide challenges confronted. Just steps from the legislative chambers, the Washington State Supreme Court stands on Capitol Hill. Housed in the elegant Temple of Justice, its neoclassical pillars face the Capitol building directly, a visual reminder that the law balances the power of politics. But governance here isn't just about those in office, it's about the people. Activists on the steps, lobbyists in the halls, students on tours, all engaging with the democratic process. Capitol Hill in Olympia is where government lives, breathes, and evolves. A place where every decision has ripple effects across counties and across generations. Speaker Johnson Mokuha was very impressed by the tour around and inside Capitol Hill and acquired vast knowledge that he will take back home, even as he leads a delegation to lobby for investors from diaspora to Murang'A County.
I have been sent here by Governor on behalf of people of Murang'A to his friends, because he told me he has very many friends in America, especially in Seattle. And every time he goes to, when he's abroad, I know he must pass by here. So I am here to present to you the first Murang'A Investment Conference.
Reporting from Governor's Office, Washington, Capitol Hill. Thank you.
You are watching Pacific Waves Television, USA, a place of nourishment.